Heart been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Think it's best I put my heart.
Hi lovelies, and welcome back to the KX Family channel. Today we're going to be doing a hair tutorial on how I do my box braids, so stay tuned. Okay lovely, so I just part my hair like so, and then I use rubber bands to keep my hair separated. That way it's easier for me to grab it and braid my braids all the way down, and that way it looks neat and not sloppy looking. Also, the hair product that I use is called Dream Kid Smooth Edges. Okay lovely, so I basically part and put rubber bands all over. I also use a mirror to do my back. Okay, so if you didn't see in the beginning of the video, the hair that I use is called Easy Braid. Okay, so I just split the hair like so. Okay, so you just take the hair, wrap it around your natural hair and the rubber band and braid it in like so. Okay, so you take the hair like so, you wrap it around the rubber band, grab your hair, pull it around, and then you just start braiding it down like so. And as you can see, I keep braiding my hair into the hair, and then about midway down, you take and you split it and you add your hair to the hair and start braiding it down like so. Okay, so the same method for the back. You just wrap it around and you braid down. And about midway down, you split it into 3. Like so. And you just bring it forward and start braiding it down. Same method, wrap it around, and then you braid it down, and then you split it into 3. As you can see, I split it into 3, and then you just keep braiding it down, and just keep braiding it all the way to the end, like so. To the color, you wrap it around, you braid it down, and then once you get midway down, you split it into 3 like you see me doing here, and then you just bring it forward and you braid it. Okay, lovely. So I know the video was getting kind of boring, so I just had to add a little effect into it to keep your attention. You just keep on braiding it down until you get to the end. I already split it into 3, so I just brought it forward and started braiding all the way to the end. I'm leaving my ends out because I'm going to ride them at the end. Okay, lovely. So now I'm braiding in my blue. And then it's the same method. You just braid it down. As you can see, I was having trouble with this hair, but it's okay because the braid still came out perfect. Just keep on braiding it all the way to the end. Okay, lovelies, one more braid, and then we're finished. We've riding the ends of this, but this is how it looks. And then this is the back. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And I will be back tomorrow to ride the ends to show y'all how that turns out.